Right, let's head out and see if we can find the high street. Some beautiful old cottages, buildings here. You got Southwold Museum across here, currently closed. Open 2 till 4, April to October, so it will be open today. Southwold Museum, here is the treasure trove of local history. Fossils of mammoths and hippos which roamed the Suffolk marshes. I'll let you read the rest, guys. Right, so we could be coming up to the main high street now. I think we have to take a left here. Not too sure what this building is. A few people going in and out. Time for another round. Adnams. That's your Adnams beer shop. Fortunately, it doesn't interest us, guys. We don't drink beer. Right, let's have a look. Right, I don't think we're going to head down that way. That's the way we come in, so I pretty well know there's not too much there. So let's head down the main high street. Main high street, this one smells nice. Coffee, pastries, Cornish bakery. Got pasties in there by the looks of it. Wow, beautiful. Cakes. Right, let's have a wander down. We've got the pickled kipper. Pizzeria. Salt Rock. Art shop, jewellery. What we got across the road? We've got a hair salon, the Duchess Cafe, takeaway. The Crew Company clothing. Another tea room. Tiptree. Come on. Morning. We've got jewels, clothing, the white stuff. I think if we went further back down the other way, guys, there was the chip shop and that which we see on the way in. More bakery there. Mountain warehouse. A bookshop. Squires of Southwold. You got the Crown pub. 1740. Tables outside. So as you can see, there's a good sprinkling of shops in Southwold. Supermarket, co-op this is. Right, that's the road you head down towards the campsite. We're going to take a wander down there shortly. You got the Swan Hotel. The oldest shop in town. Over 300 years and still going strong. That is your local butchers. Fruit and veg. Don't move. Tesco's Express.
Dad wanted me to ask you if you think you're able to.
Do you want to grab some fruit?
You've got the RNLI shop. Right, we're heading back down this way because I think we're going to end up on the beach for Sky coming back. The Red Lion, Adnams. Right, not too sure whether there's a park run or something going on down the bottom. There's a lot of people in green bibs. So this heads us back down to the beach, it does. Back on the top of the prom. And if we follow the road, you can take that way to the campsite. We're just going to wander down here and have a slow wander back down the beach for Sky. Have a little bit of playtime. Right, let's head down here, see what all this fuss is with all the people. Right, there's an Adnams van there, so I'm really not too sure at the moment. Lots of volunteers. I think it's a big community litter pick. You got 6 cannons facing out to sea. You've got the beacon there, they light on special occasions. Right, Gun Hill, it says. The Battle of Sol Bay, Gun Hill, Suffolk Heritage Coast. Right, let's drop back on the beach and join the beach after the beach huts, and we're not on the restricted area. Right in the distance I can see a big white dome, and that is the Southwold nuclear power station. I think they're currently building Southwold 3 or Southwold C, it may be, A, B and C. Right, and that is heading back towards the pier direction. Right, happy girl. As you can see, the sun is trying to come out for us today now. I think we had a nice morning, lovely walk, some lovely drone flights. Hope you've enjoyed it as well, guys. Don't forget to leave me a comment, leave me a like. And if you want to see more like this in the future, subscribe and hit the bell. Well, I think we possibly lost that ball. Guy didn't go and get it, and it's going further and further out now. We have got another one in the bag, but just seeing if it comes in on a wave, but not at the moment. Well, we did get it back. It come in eventually on a big wave. I was rather hoping she didn't go out there because they are quite dangerous waves, and looks like the old beach does drop away a bit. Right, I think it's time we headed back over the dunes now. Made our way back to the motorhome. We've got a well-earned 11s. We've currently done about 3.6 miles this morning, everybody. So nice little walk. About 4 miles when we get back. Where are you hiding, hey? We're going back to the van now. Right, and across the road, we've got the entrance to the site. Right, we're going to conclude our little Southwold walk now, everybody. Thank you very much if you made it to the end. Hope you enjoyed our little walk, and we have. It's the first time, as I say, we've had a look around Southwold. I think this afternoon we might go up by those old shacks up the Harbour estuary and see if we can get over to Walberswick and that. I'm not sure where the little boat is running, what takes you across, or we're going to do the walk and that. So we'll catch you later on today. Bye for now. Just a little update as we're coming to the site. The bike hire is open.